Hearty, vibrant, and full of homemade goodness. This stir-fry brings together chewy, handcrafted noodles, crisp veggies, and a bold, punchy sauce that ties it all together. Let's start by making our own noodles. In a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Gradually stir in the water using a fork to bring the flour and water together. Don't worry if it looks a little dry at first. It will come together as you work it. Use your hands to knead it into a rough-looking dough for a minute or two. Once there's no dry flour left in the bowl, turn the dough out onto a clean board and knead until it becomes smooth. Wrap the dough in cling film and set aside to rest. Meanwhile, halve and thinly slice the onion. Then cut the pepper into thin strips. Trim the bottom 2 centimeters from the asparagus and discard. Then slice the asparagus widthways 3 to 4 times. Now chop the peanuts and set aside. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large frying pan and add the onion, pepper, and asparagus. Stir fry until softened. Then transfer the veg to a bowl and set aside. Bring a large saucepan of water to the boil for the noodles and add salt. Once the dough has rested, knead it again until it becomes really smooth. Sprinkle a little flour on a clean worktop and roll the dough into a large rectangle. Carefully slice the dough widthways into long noodles. Separate the strands and fluff them with a sprinkle of flour. When the water's boiling, add the noodles and bring back to the boil. Cook until tender. Now drain in a colander and rinse under cold water. Then drizzle with oil and stir through to stop it from sticking together. Pop the frying pan back on medium-high heat with a drizzle of oil. Add the cabbage and stir fry until just tender. Add the onion, pepper, and asparagus back into the frying pan. Stir in the hoisin sauce, soy sauce, honey, and water. Bring to the boil, then simmer until the sauce has reduced slightly. Add the cooked noodles, toss together and cook until piping hot. Add a splash of water if you feel it needs it. Share the noodles out between your serving bowls. Drizzle over the sriracha and sprinkle over the crushed peanuts to finish. Now dig in and taste what homemade really means.